Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the timer knob on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer. It's a GE, and this is what we're going to be using for this repair. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than yours, but the same technique should still apply. So this is our old timer knob right here. It's not working for us, so all we have to do to get it off is simply pull straight out. So grab your new OEM replacement timer knob. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now when we put this in, we're going to make sure this D-shaped hole right here fits right onto this, and we're going to line them up and just push the knob right on. And now we're good to go. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.